Hola everyone, I'm Shelley Huang, the founder of Transformational Journeys. I have some exciting news to share with you. Are you the HR professional who want to build the best practice in diversity and inclusion? Are you the people managers who want to create efficiency in cross-cultural collaboration? Are you the leader who is ambitious to convert thought leadership into action leadership? If your answer is a big fat yes, then come and join our Inclusion Challenges 2018 series, starting at 2 p.m. on July 31st, hosted by Human Resources Institute of New Zealand and sponsored by Fonterra. It is a capability development series that aims to provide you a roadmap to turn your goals into results. As your facilitator, I have helped over 300 New Zealand companies in cross-cultural partnership and strategy in the last 16 years. I have 8 years media careers in New Zealand, Singapore, China, and Israel. I have another 8 years careers working for New Zealand central government, local government, and corporate. So I'm going to take you on a journey to hear more authentic voice from the diverse communities through some benchmarking projects that has created growth, productivity, and innovation for New Zealand organizations. Workshop like that is normally $99 per person, but we decided to make it free for all July attendees to celebrate the kickoff of Inclusion Challenges series. Spaces are really limited, so if you want to secure your spot, click the link below or visit inclusionchallenges.co.nz. Looking forward to seeing you all on July 31st in Fonterra. Taki de.